Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to activate MyWisely card. So if you also want to activate MyWisely card, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So a Wisely card is a prepaid card and mobile app that allows users to manage their money. The card can be used to get paid early, earn cashback rewards, pay bills, use tax refunds, etc. So if you also want to activate MyWisely card, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the MyWisely application if you want. If you have opened the MyWisely application, simply tap on the option activate card. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in activatewisely.com. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From this interface, you'll be able to activate your MyWisely card. All you have to do is enter these informations to get started. First of all, what you have to do is enter your 16-digit card number. Simply enter the 16-digit card number. Now after that, what you have to do is select the expiration date. Simply select the month. After that, what you have to do is select the year. Now after doing that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you might have to provide the additional contact information. Simply provide all the information that you'll be asked for. After that, you'll be able to set up a PIN for yourself. Now, after you set up a PIN, your MyWisely card will be activated. So that is how you activate MyWisely card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.